So we're still on breakfast. Now we've got like a protein pancake, so a really good quality pancake here. Jamie, what we're going to do?
Yeah, well, basically this is a really simple breakfast again, protein pancake. So we're going to have three main ingredients. That's milk, some eggs, and some oats as well. You know, really good source of carbohydrates. So Mark, I want you to put 3 eggs into your bowl and beat them first, please.
So what we've done with the oats is instead of using flour, we use oats, which is a higher quality carbohydrate. So we've stuck them in a coffee grinder and you just grind it and they come out like a powder form, which is really good. You can buy these oats pre-made, so I buy it, I think it's a 10 kilo sack from a supplement shop. They're very, very cheap, it's about £1 a kilo and it lasts you for ages.
Okay Matt, once you've done that then you need to add about 100 millilitres, not too much of milk as well. Depends, again you can go with flexibility here. Okay, that's great. And then once you've done that as well, you can add in a little bit of your oats.
Well, all of these
will be great, yeah.
So you've got 3 eggs there, about 100 mils of milk and half a cup of ground oats. So while he's doing that, do you want to talk about the cooking process, Jamie?
Yep, so basically, what we've already prepared already, we've got a pan ready, frying pan. We've added something different type of oil in here. It's a coconut oil, okay? Now this is great because it's a different type of fat, but it really works well at high temperatures. That means you can actually give it, you know, some in the pan and it won't degrade. Because cooking with fat at high temperatures can change the type of fat it is. So that's why we use this. So I know you like the taste as well, don't you?
Yeah, I think it's brilliant. Obviously, the quality of the fat as you're cooking it can degrade when you're using oils and stuff like that. So using a coconut oil, it's going to keep that quality. You're going to make sure you're getting that function.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Okay, how are we looking, Mark?
Just using my medieval torture device to get my eggs. Yeah.
If you don't have a hand blender or a portable blender at home, you can do it with a fork. It's just a little bit more effort.
I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon in too.
Yeah, cinnamon can basically really good source of flavour, and it can also change the type of carbohydrate. It slows down the release of carbohydrate into your body, so it can really make you feel you know, a bit fuller really for the rest of the day.
So with that slow release of carbohydrate, would that sort of prolong the energy levels?
Yeah, prolong the energy levels. You don't feel this like dip what a lot of people do, you know, by eating like really poor breakfast, like you know, Cocoa Pops and all these like pre-made ones, like. So this is like a homemade, really good sauce.
Okay, so it's worth mentioning there. You only need a tiny bit of cinnamon. Don't be trying the cinnamon challenge. You're going to struggle with that. Okay, a tiny little sprinkle of cinnamon is good for regulating your
carbohydrate. So Mark's on the mixture. Looks looking great, that Mark. Thank you for that. And then you add it into the pan. Okay.
Okay. So while Jamie's getting on with that, Mark, let's talk about some toppings. So what would you have on your pancake?
Top it well. First off, I'll have a few berries. Obviously, we've got protein and carbs there. I like a little bit of a sugar kick on in the morning. Bit different to you, as in you like your honey. I like my berries.
Yep.
So I'll be going a lot of berries. I'll get a banana. We'll have a bit of chopped banana in there for sure. Again, it's another great source of carbohydrates, is banana. So just chop that nice pieces. Don't have to be neat. You don't have to go full banana. You know, half a banana's fine, and some raisins on top too. Good. Maybe a bit of yogurt.
So Jamie's just got that cooking in the pan. Once it's good to turn, that means it's basically cooked. So you're just going to turn it. You can try and toss it if you want. If not, get a spatula out of there and turn it.
Sure, have a go.
Yeah, go on then. See how you're feeling.
It's only quite a thin one, this, so it shouldn't be too bad.
Oh.
There we go.
Is it caught?
Good lad. Yeah, first time.
There we go.
All right.
Rocking and rolling.
Get it going. So and once you've turned it, it's 30 seconds in the pan and it's cooked. It's good to go. Stick that on there. So Mark's gonna make his pancake.
Do another one as
well.
well.
So you're gonna get off cooking, and in true Blue Peter style, is what I made earlier.
So very similar to how Jamie's looks. Bit of Greek yogurt, just a dessert spoon. Spread it out. I like to decorate it because I'm artistic like that. So a bit of yogurt, a bit of banana. A couple of raspberries in there. Blueberries, my favourite berry. And then strawberries.
Good.
And then to finish it all off, just for you, Jamie,
bit of honey.
I'll put a little bit of honey on there.
Good work. Right, so just to summarise there, you've got 3 eggs, half a cup of oats, ground oats, and about 100 mils of milk. Get it all in a bowl, whisk it up, make sure it's nice and sort of ready to cook. Heat the pan, scoop a bit of mixture into the pan. The mixture you've got is probably good for 3 pancakes, so scoop a third of the mixture into the pan. wait until it's ready to flip it, 30 seconds out onto the plate, put whatever you want in it, it's done.
Smells gorgeous, doesn't it?
Smells good.
Beautiful.
Okay, so let's have a taste.
I'm going to go straight for this one, mate.
You can get straight in there.
Yeah. You're messing it up.
Here's the fork I made earlier.
Here's a fork I made earlier.
Need to wash your beard, mate.
Yeah. Don't grow a mustache and eat yogurt. That's really good.
Great stuff.
Good? Try that.